Hi, I'm Richard Petrie, I'm CTO at LINX. So LINX is an internet infrastructure company and we provide internet exchange points up and down the UK, and we've been doing this for over 30 years. As far as our mission is concerned, we want to interconnect networks securely, reliably, efficiently to help the internet to work, to be effective. And we've been doing this as a mutual membership organisation, as I say, for 30 years now. And we try and keep traffic local, so we try and exchange traffic in local points of presence around the UK. So LINX as an organisation, we're a membership organisation. We think that this brings a lot of benefit. We're focused on quality for the membership. We're focused on what the members ask us as a business. So we are obviously conscious about profits and revenue, but overall we're looking at how we can improve the ecosystem, the peering, the internet exchange ecosystem, to ultimately benefit our members long term. The partnership that we've struck with Pulsant actually goes back quite a few years. We first started working with Pulsant up in Scotland, in South Gyle, back probably 12 years ago now, when we launched a regional exchange up in Scotland. We also now work with Pulsant in Manchester, so there's a point of presence in Manchester. And Pulsant as a data center company have infrastructure up and down, facilities up and down the UK. And so with their edge platform, their infrastructure platform, they can use that facility to interconnect all of their customers. But with the partnership they've struck with LINX, they can connect into any of our fabrics as well. So all the exchange points that we run in the UK, all of their customers, all of our customers, our members, can have access to that one ecosystem. Interconnection regionally has been at the heart of LINX for many years. The birth of LINX in the UK was all about dragging traffic back, UK traffic back from the US into the UK to be exchanged locally, and we've carried out or extended that model up and down the UK. So we do the same in Manchester. We have a local internet exchange point in Manchester, and we have another one up in Scotland. And this is all about making sure that networks that can connect locally do connect locally, and we keep traffic locally. So if you think about the business and the economy of Scotland and the north of England, it's critical for their digital strategy, if they want to be able to be independent of, say, the UK in the south, that they build out their own infrastructure. This isn't just about data centers or internet exchange points. This is submarine cable systems, the whole ecosystem really. And I think LINX and Pulsant working together, we can provide some of that separation, that resiliency for the UK internet infrastructure as a whole. We are seeing data sovereignty as a key part of the UK business strategy. It's becoming more and more relevant within current affairs, within politics, and we're seeing that come across into businesses. So I think Pulsant and LINX are both UK headquartered companies, and we're UK companies. LINX is part of the critical national infrastructure, and we have been in that classification for a number of years. The data centres are being reclassified, and that's part of the government's plan, is to bring those data centres under that. And I think the combination of LINX and Pulsant working together, where both our infrastructure and Pulsant's infrastructure is under that model, coupled with the drive to sovereignty and data sovereignty is key. And I think we, as in partnership, can work very well to support businesses in achieving that goal. So when we look at data sovereignty, we think about that in the context of the UK, but that also can be taken into the Scottish industry as well. I think it's important for Scotland as a nation themselves to be looking at what does that mean from a data sovereignty point of view. And of course, we have a point of presence up in Scotland. We have two POPs that support the LINX Internet Exchange in Scotland, and we work with Pulsant through the data centre, and I think it's now the highest connected data centre in Scotland, and we work together to make sure that we're trying to build an ecosystem, a digital ecosystem up there that is truly independent from the rest of the UK countries. clients that have a high degree of focus on sovereignty, I think LINX and Pulsant together offer quite a nice solution. The certain clients are definitely more and more focused on it, and we're seeing that drive now. And I think the combination of Pulsant's data centers up and down the country, I think, as I say, it's about 12 or 13 and growing at the moment, linked in through their edge infrastructure into LINX's internet exchange points, can actually offer a true sort of one-stop, make sure that client traffic and client data is held and maintained within the UK. LINX do strive to provide low latency interconnectivity, reliable interconnectivity, resilient interconnectivity for our customers, and we've been doing this for many years, and we through careful network design, through selecting high quality, high performance networking devices, we provide this up and down the UK. So within London itself, we have 2 completely independent networks, so members of LINX and partners can connect their customers into the 2 different infrastructures, and they run completely in parallel but separate through different switches, different vendors, different dark fiber infrastructures, and they connect to an array, 19, 20 different data centers across the London Metro. And we do exactly the same up in Manchester, where we connect a number of different data centers through high quality, high performance equipment, and our engineers are constantly monitoring the performance from one end of the network to the other to make sure we provide a very robust but very low latency interconnection platform. The latest development in our partnership has been with Pulsant taking on as a connections partner. So the connections program for us is really important because it brings partner customers into our ecosystem, and so we're really pleased that Pulsant have come on board. They interconnect into our London fabric, into our London 1 and London 2 fabrics. We already can interconnect our customers and Pulsant's customers through direct connections in Manchester and Scotland, but what this now means with this new partnership is any of Pulsant's customers that connect up and down the UK, whether that's in Milton Keynes or whether that's in Newcastle, can connect through that interconnection point and get access to LINX's services, all of the products that we sell, our ecosystem, our 800-900 networks that connect into our infrastructure. And also we have other partner programs where Pulsant's customers can then consume partner products over our fabric, over our interconnection platform. So I think it's critical. I mean, it's such a brilliant partnership, and I think we'll see a lot of benefit for LINX's customers, but also for Pulsant's customers too. I do hope to see our partnership evolve. I think the connections, the announcement we made around the connections partner is a great step. I'd like to see connections points established at other strategic places up and down the UK. I think the partnership will continue to grow when we look at what is happening with the boom in data, with the boom in activity from high performance computing, AI and data mobility. It's only going to become more important that we see UK businesses partner with UK data center infrastructures, and the more that can access our platform through the Pulsant network, the better. And I think we just need to work together to make sure that we continue to work out what's the right points of contact and how can we give both our customers, your customers, the best experience for that as it grows.